Hey guys, we're up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1985 El Camino. This one here's got the 5.0 under the hood, looks like it's fairly stock. AC compressor's there. We'll check it out, see if it works. Power steering. We got front disc brakes on this one. Drum in the rear. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures. Also have wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And we're gonna be doing a walk around video halfway through this one, so definitely check that out. All right, we're gonna hit the road here, guys. You can also get finance, shipping information, all at maplemotors.com. About that time, let's go for a ride. Kind of look around the interior before we take off. Go ahead and be placing your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Interior is pretty nice in this car here. Headliner looks pretty good as well. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. Belt's a little bit squeaky under the hood. Got some gauges under the dash. They're all coming up. Oil pressure looks like it's around 70. Engine temp's around 150. Our amp gauge is not working. Go ahead and try the AC. Compressor is not kicking on this one. Let's see if we can get something blowing here though. I think our blower motor is out. It's not blowing or doing anything. Try the radio. Radio's working. It's showing 16,000 miles. Can't stand behind that. Every 100,000 it goes back to 0. Could be 116, could be 216. Most of the gauges are working other than our 3 that are under the dash here. So our oil and temp and volts are not working on the dash. Let's try. Windshield wipers do work. Nice and slow though, aren't they? And as soon as you cut that switch off, they stop. There we go. It's just where I did it, I guess. Let's try this horn. No horn on this car. Let's take off down the road, see how she drives. I already got my seatbelt on. Anything that I see that's wrong with this car, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Our speedometer is working. That belt is a little bit squeaky on it. RPMs are coming up on the dash. It's going straight down the road. It's not pulling to left or right. And the steering's nice and tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Kick down is hooked up as well. Motor's pulling pretty strong. Gas gauge is floating around, giving me a good indication that it is working. It's about half the tank right now. Now let's get back over. Decent little car for the year. The paint's in good shape and the interior's not too bad. It's got some small issues with some of the trims. Got a little bit of chrome peeling off over here on the door panel. suspension's not too bad. Pretty smooth going over some of them bumps back there. May have found this a new parking lot. Never went this way on one of my test drives, but kind of funny. Across the street from the police station. See what we can do here. All right, I'm pulling in this parking lot. We're gonna do a full walk around of this car, a full inspection on the outside, a separate video, and I'm also gonna drive by the camera, over the camera, and give you some more shots. All right, let's get it done. So far, so good. Engine temp's at 180, oil pressure's at 40. And we've done like a full walk around video, done all the outside shots. It's time to head back. Yeah, guys, I could have, you know, hit the squeak or whatever on the belt, but I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna need a belt. We try to show everything up here. That way you know what you're getting. All right, guys, I'm gonna run off in this gas station real quick and we'll continue this test drive. Okay, let's get out of here. Pretty decent turning radius there. Squeaking noise coming from behind me, behind the seat. can see this making a good daily. If I get on the brakes real hard, they got a little bit of a vibration to them. I may need a brake job. Hear that? So probably a caliper's got a warp to it. It's doing like this. Turn signals popping up on the dash. I think our bulb's out on the left side behind the dash itself. Coming up the speed bump in the road right here. Nice and smooth. Yeah, and you definitely get into the brakes real good. Feel a little bit of a shudder coming from them. Other than that, I mean, if you softly stop, they're fine. All right, we made it back to the lot now. We're gonna go ahead and pull in here. Finish up this video. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again. So if you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. That website itself can actually help you out a lot. I want you to watch both of these videos, the walk around and the test drive. I'll link them together. The last 30 seconds of every video should have a link to the other. maplemotors.com offers finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, all of our inventory, and it's all updated every Monday. All right, guys, I appreciate you riding with me. Y'all have a good one.